Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Anbiya wal Mursaleen. Amma ba'd, fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. An Abdullah ibn Salam قال لما قدم النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم المدينة جئت فلما تبينت وجهه عرفت أن وجهه ليس بوجه كذاب فكان أول ما قال أيها الناس قد أفشوا السلام وأطعموا الطعام وصلوا الأرحام وصلوا بالليل والناس نيام تدخلوا الجنة بسلام رواه الترمذي وابن ماجه والدارمي. So this is the first khutbah Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala sallam delivered when he migrated from Makkah to Medina. So the first message Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala sallam blessed with the people of Medina, you can say the first khutbah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Medina. And narrator of this hadith is Hazrat Abdullah bin Salam. He's very famous Sahabi. His kunya is Abu Yusuf, and he was from the descendants of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salatu wasalam. And he was the scholar of Jews in Medina before the arrival of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alaihi wasallam has given the glad tidings of his being Jannati, Hazrat Abdullah bin Salam. He passed away in Medina in 43 Hijri. So he said that when Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated from Makkah to Medina, and when he arrived in Medina, because these young girls was saying طلع البدر علينا من ثنية الوداع وجب الشكر علينا ما دعا لله داع. Everywhere the people and welcoming him. So he said that I was in the garden of dates and I was plucking the dates, and there was dates in my we can say in my lap, when I heard the noise that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam came, who claimed as being last prophet. And because he was the Jew, he was the scholar of Jew, he learned and read the descriptions and the signs of the last prophet in Torah. And Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was the first Arab who claimed as being prophet. No Arab claimed as being prophet before. And he knew that the last prophet, Hazrat Abdullah bin Salam, he knew that the last prophet will be from the Arab. That's why he was very curious. So he said that when I heard the noise, I ran to the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam where he was. So I saw that many people surrounded him, and the people they was very excited, and they want to just sacrifice themselves on Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala sallam. He said that لما قدم النبي المدينة, where Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam arrived Medina, جئت, I came to Rasulullah, فلما تبينت وجهه, when I looked at the face of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then he said عرفت, I looked properly, and then he said عرفت أن وجهه ليس بوجه كذاب, I knew from my heart that this face cannot be the face of a liar. This face, the beautiful face, the illuminated face, cannot be the face of a liar. So he said that the Iman entered in my heart that time. He accepted Islam later on, but from that day he said, I just believe from my heart that this personality cannot be liar. He's a true, whatever he is saying, he's the last prophet. And then he said فَكَانَ أَوَّلُ مَا قَالَ, because he said that I read all description of last prophet in Torah. So then I looked properly, so I found all signs of the last prophet in the face of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wasallam. And then he said فَكَانَ أَوَّلُ مَا قَالَ, what was the first word or the first khutbah Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered in Medina? The few messages. First of all, Ya ayyuhan nas, O people, because he addressed all of the people. There was Muslim and then there was Jews as well. So that's why Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't say Ya ayyuhal, O believers. He said Ya ayyuhan nas, O people, ayyuhan nas, O people, afshu salama, spread peace. So spread peace, spread salam. So whenever you start talk conversation, say assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, assalamu alaikum, because those days the people used to say sabhakallah bil khair, like these days people say good morning, people welcome or start talking with other words, but Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said afshu salam, spread peace. And then Sahaba Karam, after the Sahaba Karam, they used to go to the market. They didn't want to buy anything. They just went to market to say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah to the people, to the Muslim. Why? So they can spread peace. Assalamu qabla al-kalam. Salam is before talking. So we need to adopt the habit of saying salam before we start conversation, before we meet someone. So that was the first message. And the second is وَأَطْعِمُ الطَّعَامَ, and feed the hungry, feed people. And then next, wasilul arhama, and be nice to your relatives, fulfill the rights of your relative. And then wasallu bil layli wan nasu niyam, read salah, perform salah night time as well, not only fard salah, night time read salah tahajjud. Wan nasu niyam, when the people are sleeping. This is the most important time. Allah Azza wa Jal likes the ibadah that time, because this is between the person and between Allah Azza wa Jal when he is alone. So he said, Rasulullah said, wasallu bil layli, and pray in night time when people are sleeping. If you will fulfill these, because that time he just arrived in Medina, so the rulings of salah, so the ruling of zakah and fasting and hajj and jihad was not came that time. There was the first year of hijrah. So that's why Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not mention those. And then he said, Tadkhulul Jannata bisalam, whenever you will complete these things, you will enter Jannah with peace. So this is the first khutbah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Many things to learn from it. The first of all is to spread peace. If we take this one, inshallah, we'll act upon to say salam whenever we say any Muslim, not only in here, outside. If you see that he looks Muslim, then we should say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. May Allah will give us ability to act upon it, whatever we have heard today. Ameen. Let's read dua. Allahumma afini fi badani.
आमदे रमज़ान है, आमदे रमज़ान है, आमदे रमज़ान है, आमदे रमज़ान है।